When the rain arrives, the forest does not resist. It listens. Leaves darken, earth softens, sound replaces sight. Through falling water, a shape moves, not announced, only felt. Stripes dissolve into shadow. Rain erases edges. The forest keeps its secrets. He walks without urgency. Rain does not slow him. It belongs to him. In the rain, vision sharpens. Every sound matters. Every movement speaks. Water clings to fur and muscle, tracing a body shaped by patience. He pauses, not to hide, but to wait. The rain will pass. The forest will change. But the tiger remains, moving quietly between moments.